if you want to start a new channel this moment with the intention of making money, first thing you need to understand is that not all niches pay the same amount of money. Some niches pay high, while some niches RPM is very low. What I mean by some niches pay high is some niches, they pay up to $20, $30 per 1,000 views, while other niches pay as low as 60 cents, 70 cents for 1K views. This thing is what I experienced personally. I always share my experience here that I have two channels. I have a food channel and I have this other channel, YouTube growth channel. In my food channel, I have videos that pay 70 cents for 1,000 views, not up to $1. Why on this YouTube growth channel, I have videos that pay me $25 for 1,000 views. So you can imagine the difference between these two channels. From one channel, I earn like 60, 70 cents for 1,000 views. While the other channel, I earn $25, $30 for 1,000 views. So on my channel today, I am going to be sharing with us highest paying niche in 2025, including the expected CPM from each channel. Therefore, I'll be sharing with us some channel you can actually get good money from. And I'll be sharing this based on two things. One, based on personal experience, and the second one, based on research and facts. If this is the kind of video you would like to watch, please relax and pay thorough attention to this video. Welcome to my channel once again. Is your girl Grow with Kike. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, I want to say a very big welcome to you. Please feel free to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos. And if you are a returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for watching my content. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comment. I really appreciate you. If this is the kind of video you like to watch, then let's get started. Number one on my list is tech and gadgets, with the CPM range between $10 to $30. What I mean by CPM is the amount that advertisers are willing to pay YouTube for 1,000 views. That is CPM. And this RPM is the amount that YouTube pay you as a creator after YouTube already deducts its own from the CPM. So like I said, number one on the list is tech and gadgets. Advertisers are willing to pay high for this niche because they deal with phone brands, apps, and reviewing software tools. So advertisers pay high CPM for YouTube. And one thing about YouTube content creating is the more higher CPM advertisers are willing to pay, the more higher of you getting a high RPM. So advertisers pay very high amount of money for YouTube, and creators also get paid very high. Example of creators in this niche are Margus Brownie. It mainly deals with quality tech videos, consumer electronics. What it does is just to review phones, AI apps, and apart from the fact that YouTube pay high RCPM to the creators in this niche, there is also a very high chances of them getting brand influencing, brand deals, and recognition. That means they do not only get paid from their RPM only, they also get paid from brand owner for them to review their products. Technopound is also another creators that make money, that makes good money from just reviewing phone, and a whole lot of other creators that make money just by reviewing phone, AI tabs, electronics, and all. So if you have an idea about tech and gadgets and you are thinking of starting a YouTube channel, you can actually venture into this niche and be very well assured that you're going to make good amount of money as time goes by. Another channel that is doing very well in terms of paying high amount of RPM is finance and investing. This channel, the CPM for this channel range between $20 to $50 per 1,000 views. Let me explain what CPM means. And one thing about this thing is, just let's assume the CPM for 1,000 views for a particular content is $25. Then your RPM will range from, let's say, $20 to $15 per 1,000 views. So let's just assume you have 20,000 on a particular video, then multiply $20 times 20,000 views you have on that particular video. You can imagine you will actually be getting big amount of money. This niche pays high amount of RPM because they deal mostly with cryptocurrency, real estate, banks, credit card, which of course we all know deals with money. Everything about this niche is money, money. These companies place high amount on advertisements. And you know, the higher amount advertisements are willing to pay, higher RPM you also get as a content creator. Creators in this niche are Graham, Stefan, and Android Jika. They are both doing great as a finance and investing content creators on YouTube. If you are an aspiring content creators and you have an idea on savings, budget, or even how to start anything at all, then you can consider this niche. This niche is actually one of the most paying niche on YouTube as we speak. Another niche that is paying high on YouTube as we speak is online business and YouTube growth. One of the things that make this particular niche have high CPM is because advertisers place a high amount on this channel because they know that almost everybody wants to know or learn one or two things from this channel. So it is one kind of channel that grows very fast and calls people attention. And one thing you should also know is that getting high CPM or RPM on YouTube also depends on your viewers' location. The location from which you get your viewers from will also determine if you get high CPM and also high RPM. YouTube growth and online business CPM range from $10 to $35. But like I said before, getting high CPM depends mainly on your viewers' location. For example, someone that had viewers from United States of America, USA, European country, or most first world country, their CPM will be very high compared to someone that has his viewers mainly from Nigerian or African country. So online business and YouTube growth is also a very good niche because advertisers place high amounts on ads because it is a channel that grows very fast. Names of creators on this niche is Video, Ike, and Think Media. Also, my channel is also a very good example of YouTube growth. Example of videos from this niche are how to make money on YouTube, tutorial and how to grow on YouTube, side hustle and ideas, and so on. So if you are an aspiring YouTube content creator and you know about this niche, you can actually consider this niche, and at the right time you start getting good amount of money from this channel. What you just need is the right audience and viewers, then you are good. Number 4 on my list is education and tutorial niche with CPM range between $8 to $20 per 1,000 views, depending on the location your viewers are watching from. The CPM can be higher or can be lower, depend on your viewers. Advertisers place high amount on this channel because as this channel says, education. So we all know that people are willing to learn more on a daily basis, and people are willing to learn something that will be beneficial to them and to their daily activity. Examples are videos that teach how to read, how to solve mathematical equation, how to speak a local language, and all. Tutorial video on how to use CapCut, Canva, how to use AI app are also part of videos for this niche. It is a good niche you can go into if you think you have what people can learn from you, and you will definitely earn a lot of money from this channel, from this niche, with the right audience and viewers. Next niche that is paying high amounts of CPM is health, fitness, and weight loss with CPM range between 10 to $20 per 1,000 views, depend on your location, depend on your viewers location. This niche deals mainly with fitness, supplements and weight loss products. So advertisers are willing to pay high on ads so that they can advertise their products to the viewers that are watching their videos. So one thing about this kind of niche also is that they get brand influencing easily because people are willing to pay high amounts just for them to advertise and review their products to their viewers. Example of creators in this niche: Chloe Ting and Pamela Rift. They are good examples of creators that are doing so good on this niche. And one thing that is good about this niche is both male and females actually watch the video because everybody, one way or the other, is either looking for how to lose weight or how to stay fit. So this makes this niche very interesting and attracting to viewers. So if you are an aspiring content creators and you are looking and you have an idea on weight loss or you are into health fit coach, you can actually start this niche. So this is just a bonus to this video. If you are an aspiring content creator and you want to have an idea of exactly what you're going to, the kind of CPM you will be getting and the kind of RPM you will be getting, there are websites you can actually go to check on how much you can actually be earning from a video. And the two websites are Social Blade and Noxin. What you just need to do is go to Google and type Social Blade, then it will take you to this particular place. Then you will see this, then go to YouTube to copy the YouTube link, video link, then paste it to this side, then you will see then you will be able to access estimated revenue of their channel. These are the 5 niche you can actually venture into. But what is important is you need to chase quality, value. You need to bring out value from your video, build the audience, and other good things is going to follow. I hope you learned something from this video. If that is true, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video.